up. So I'm just cooking some eggs. But we're not going to teach how. Because I already did. I don't know what to say. Whoa. Oh. One is huge. Oh my god. So, like, I don't know what to say. And whoever subscribed, I don't know who they are, but whoever subscribed, thank you. I don't know who they are. So. And this is what is a weird thing when it is a egg. A, no fighting. Get on. Hold up. I don't know if I can eat this. I'll just have to. It's already like glued on. That tastes good. Just kidding, I didn't even eat it yet. Say, Mavis, say hi. She's just a kid, so like. second one's huge. So, like, that was all I wanted to say, or I don't think I even said anything. The next video, I'll show you Dash if I can find him. I can't find him today. I'll hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you all guys next time. Bye!